Okay, here we are at Chief Logan State Park. I already dropped off the camper, but just give you a quick tour. Okay, looks like there's a fishing pond, some picnic pavilions to the right. Got the visitor center here. And there's also, looks like a locomotive or engine from the C&O Canal Railroad. There's an amphitheater. Looks like they have a program here tonight. Okay, to the left is our campground. I'm gonna go to the right here. It says they have a swimming pool, miniature golf, and game courts like tennis courts and that kind of stuff. So let's take a look. Okay, there's a shooting range here as well. Yep, that's the swimming pool right over here. And somewhere here, supposedly there's miniature golf. And looks like they have a basketball court, maybe a tennis court. And there's a lodge up here too, and some cabins that looks like you can rent as well. So I think this is a good place to stay if you come and do the Bearwallow Jeep Badge of Honor Trail. We're gonna go back through the campground just to see what the sites are like. Okay, they have a little playground here. Again, this is where you check in for your campground, and they also have firewood and some stuff in the store. Here are the sites. This is site number 1. Site number 2 is to the left. Site number 3 is the new camp. That's where I'm staying. Right here to the right is where I'm staying, right by the creek. This is the restroom to the left, as well as a bathhouse, so you can take a shower. Here we are at the Bearwallow trailhead. All right, we're going to start off with trying to just do this trail without airing down. It doesn't seem that difficult, so see how it goes. It's rated as easy trail. It's about 14 to 15 miles. In the beginning here, we need to follow trail 12. And looks like we're gonna follow this to trail 46 up here. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. And I have it right now just on 2-wheel drive. Okay, once you get to trail 59, you need to actually go right here and stay on trail 12. There's this sharp turn here. So far, this trail has been pretty well marked. Nothing out of ordinary. If you just pay attention, you will see all the signs. Here's a trail that goes down on the left 92 that seems pretty difficult. So you could always try some of these other trails. Here we just have a steep climb, but nothing major. Again, I'm still on too high, so it has not been an issue yet. So any stock Jeep should be able to do this. Okay, now I'm slipping a little bit. Okay, change to 4 high. So in this portion you might want to go to 4 high, especially it's been raining a lot and it's muddy. It's going to be kind of slippery. So on some of these steep climbs you may have to be on 4 high. Okay, we're coming to the end of the trail soon. Less than a mile, and it just started raining, so we timed that perfectly. We've got a steep climb right over here, and since we didn't air down, you don't have to get out in the rain to air up, so that's good. Okay, so wrapping up the Bearwallow Jeep Trail. It's mostly a long, mostly easy ride, with optional offshoots if you're looking for a challenge. What you saw here in the video is pretty much what to expect throughout. I ran all the sections of the official Badge of Honor trail that's on Trails Off-Road app, but I didn't do any of the offshoots. Just the clay-based dirt gets so slick that it's like ice when wet, and it's very sticky too. It's great for mud tires, not so much so for my KO2s. Okay, and here we are at the end of the trail. GPS says 14.4 miles. Let's see, it's 9:44 now. And so yeah, it's about two and a half hours. This is how long it took me to complete it. One night at Bearwallow, rain and all, still a great stop. Quiet, peaceful, and a fun, easy trail through the Hatfield-McCoy hills. Next up, Windrock Park in Tennessee, just outside of Knoxville. It's the largest privately owned off-road park in the country and home to 2 Jeep Badge of Honor trails. These trails are going to be a little bit more of a challenge, and I think we're ready for it. So it's about 5 hours away, 6 probably with gas and snack breaks. So let's hit the road.